Today, I've got something to say. Look at my eyelashes. You can't even see them, basically. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, I'm Megan. I do beauty videos, shopping hauls and challenges. Thanks for coming back. Don't forget, I've got my socials down below, so if you want to follow me on Instagram or Twitter, please head over to there because I feel like I can communicate with you a bit more on there, and you know, maybe we can get a conversation going. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe and smash that notification bell to be notified every time I upload so you don't miss a thing. Today, I've got something to say. I never used to be able to tell the difference between really high-end mascara and then cheaper mascara, but today, this is the first time I've noticed the difference. So look at my eyelashes. You can't even see them, basically, because I recently ran out of the mascara that I was using and I went and just bought the first one that I saw yesterday, just a cheap one from Body Care. Yes, Body Care. It said volumizing, so I'm gonna find it for you. So it's Body Collection Volumizing Mascara, and I'm not the one, like, I'm not a one for saying like, oh, I hate this brand, or I hate this, I hate that, but I mean, this doesn't do what it says it does. I mean, it was cheap, it was like, God, it was under £4, I think, so you know, what can you expect? But it really doesn't volumize your lashes at all, because usually when you get a volumizing mascara, the brush is like really thick, but this is just like look how thin that is. So like, how is that supposed to volumize your lashes? So I'm not happy today. You literally can't see my eyelashes because they're so small. They're not long. And I don't want to always wear false lashes, so basically I'm staying like this today. But yeah, if you have any recommendations on a good mascara that makes your lashes look longer, please tell me down below or pop over to my Instagram and tell me on there, because I need a new one and I have no idea which one to get because I never stick to the same brands or the same products. But anyways, moving on. So today I'm going to show you my top favourite products for June, because we're getting towards the middle of the month now, and you know, I'd love to show you what I've been using recently. So there's a big variation today. There's some tanning products, some like moisturizers, lashes, makeup, hair products even. I've just got together like my top sort of, how many is there? 7, 8? There's about 8 products that I want to show you today, my top favourites, and yeah, I hope you enjoy. So I think first I'll start off with something that I don't normally start off with. This is a hair product. So what I use every single day without fail in my hair to make it shiny, to make it less dry, it gives it, you know, just a lovely sort of lovely shine to it. I use this coconut hair oil. I also have like a big tub of coconut oil, but that's a bit harder to use because you have to like heat it up and let it melt in your hands and put it on, whereas this is like an oil already. You can just put it on your hands and rub it through your hair. This one is quite cheap. This is also from Body Care, because I really do love the stuff from Body Care. Like, even though it is really cheap, it's so good for the price. So this is called Inecto Naturals. I have no idea how much it was, but it is something like £2.99, around that price. And honestly, like, this is a go-to product if you want to make your hair shiny. If you've got naturally curly hair like me and it gets very, very dry, you can use this. It stops the frizziness, and yeah, it's just amazing. I would highly, highly recommend this. And now let's talk about foundations. So I think I've showed you in some of my other videos. If I've already put them up, I can't remember if I've actually put them up yet or not, or yeah. Basically, I've been using recently, to match with my tan, I've been using Rimmel's Match Perfection. So I do have 2 different shades in these. So these are really, really good. I have 103 True Ivory and 200 Soft Beige, and usually I mix the two to try and match my tan. So basically, I recently ran out of the lighter shade, which is the True Ivory. You can see like there's pretty much nothing left in it. So I went out yesterday to get a new one of these, just intending to get like the same one, but then I saw the Rimmel Lasting Finish, which is more full coverage and supposed to last longer, so I thought I'd give this one a go. So I've got it on today. It's 100 Ivory, so it's pretty much the same as the lighter colour in the Match Perfection. So yeah, it's pretty much the same. I've got it on today mixed with a little bit of the beige, and I don't know if you can see on camera, but it is really, really good coverage, and it's like blurred my skin so well. So yeah, I really, really like that. You can't tell the colour in this camera because for some reason my camera always makes me look white, even though like I am actually really tan today. I don't know how to show you. Like I'm all glowy and tan. But I don't know how to show you properly because my camera is just not good. So yeah, I would highly recommend this one. I also got this from Body Care, but obviously it's Rimmel, so you can get it like anywhere, like Superdrug, Boots. It's probably a little bit more expensive there. It's only less than £5 at Body Care. So if you do have a Body Care, if you live in the UK, I would definitely go there to have a look at some of the foundations and, you know, the offers on like some of the beauty products, because it is really, really good. Like I absolutely love that shop. So yeah, this is one of my favourite foundations at the minute. And please, once again, let me know down below if you have any more recommendations on foundations for dry skin, because I've never found like a perfect one for me, and although this is working really well at the minute, I'll probably want to change it up soon, so please let me know which ones you tend to go for. Now next, I think I will get on to my favourite lashes at the minute, and I think I'll be doing a separate video with my whole collection and my favourites, and you know, a much more in-depth video, but I'm just going to show you my top 2 at the minute. These are both from Primark, and I know that everything I'm showing you is like on the budget end, but that's what I love about them, because they're so good for the price. So I've got the Girls with Attitude Forks Lashes from Primark, and these are £5. And then I've also got the Sosu Deluxe Lashes from Primark, £5 as well. So dropping everything. You can tell how much I've worn these ones because it's fell off. But so these ones are called Holly Lashes, and you know what, I don't even know much about lashes, to be honest. I'm just new to it. I'm awful at putting them on, but I am learning. But these are, so they're not too long, but they do give you a good length. You can tell like there's multiple lashes, like they're in like multiple layers, so you know, it really gives you that like false lash effect. Well, of course it gives you a false lash effect, the false lashes. And these look amazing for going out, for giving you like a bit more volume. These ones are the Girls with Attitude, and these ones are called Lust, and these are sort of very similar to the other ones, but they have like sections that are longer than the others, you can see. So I'm not entirely sure what that does, but they do look nice. They give you like a really, really long lash effect. I will show you, like I said, when I do a video about all my favourite lashes, I'll show you like how they all look once I've figured out how to actually put them on. So that's those lashes. I would highly recommend if you are just starting out wearing false lashes, or you know, you just need like a really quick pair to go out for the night. Go to Primark, have a look in the section of the £5 lashes, because they're really, really good quality for the price. So definitely check that out. I highly recommend those. My allergies are playing up again. I've shown you this a lot in my recent videos. It's the Astral Original Face and Body Moisturiser. I got this from Superdrug in the sale. It was originally supposed to be quite expensive, so I'm assuming it's a good brand. But anyways, it's good. I love it. If you have dry skin like me, it's amazing. It's so moisturising, and you can use it like on the face and body as it says. So I use it every day on my face. I usually use like my Nivea ones for the for the night time. But this is also great to put like over your tan to moisturise any dry patches. It's just a great daily moisturiser. It's so moisturising. How many times can a girl say moisturising? Well, I highly recommend that one to you as well. And I think we only have one left. Well, two, but they come sort of as a pair. If you watched my tanning video about my top favourite tans, you know that my go-to brand is Bondi Sands, and that's why I've saved it best till last. If you can tell on the camera, I'm all lovely and glowy. It's actually like a little bit darker than it is in the picture, but it just gives such a gorgeous tan. So the one that I've got here is the liquid gold. It's the one that is a foam like most tans you find these days, but it goes on clear, so there's no guide colour. It just goes on all lovely and soft, and like it's clear, you can't tell it's on, so you can just throw your clothes on, but then it develops like through the day, and then you can obviously like tell that you're changing colour, but you don't have to wash it off either. So it's like, it's amazing, it's a godsend, it's a lifesaver. So that's my all-time favourite tan at the minute, is the Bondi Sands Liquid Gold Foam. And to go with that, I have this tanning mitt. It's actually surprisingly not a Bondi Sands one. It's a cocoa brown one. Cocoa brown? Is that what it's called? Yes, it is called cocoa brown. It's a cocoa brown tanning mitt. I'm sure you can get this style in all different tanning brands, but this is just the one that I saw. So the ones that I used to use were the ones without like the thumb, like they weren't like a mitt. They were just like flat, and all the time you would get the tan like seeping through, or after a while like it would split. You'd have to wear gloves underneath. You'd just completely ruin your hands because of it. So I tried this one. I picked up this one at Primark as well, and I found that my tan goes on so much smoother now. I can blend it in so much easier, and yeah, basically if you are new to tanning, or you know, you already tan all the time, I would recommend getting a mitt, not the flat style mitts, the ones with the actual thumbs in, because you can like get to places you can't reach better, you can blend it in better, and it has such a good texture. It's double-sided as well, and then it's easily washable. So I would highly recommend this style. This is the cocoa brown one. Like I said, it's in Primark for £5. But you know, I'm sure you can get them everywhere. Like I'm sure Bondi Sands do one, and I haven't tried it yet, but I'm sure I will, because I absolutely love Bondi Sands. And that is my June favourites. So I hope you've enjoyed. I hope you've learned something from me. And you know, let me know if you do go and try these products out, or if you have any more products that you'd like me to try, or you know, you suggest for me. And like I said, if you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Twitter and Instagram to keep up to date. I have lots of exciting things happening, which you will find out soon. So if you want to see more videos from me like this one, all about my favourite beauty products and how I tan, and basically just everything to do with beauty, please subscribe, and you won't miss a thing, because I upload videos like this every single week. And soon I am going to be doing the challenge to do one video every single day for the month. So I think I'm going to be trying that in July. So yeah, I hope you stick around, because there is lots of things happening, lots of things I've got planned. I will see you all soon. Bye!